पता है मैं यूज नहीं कर
नहीं
रही।
दिखाओ भी नहीं, बहुत बेकार है। नहीं दिखाओ, बेकार है।
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So before I begin this video, a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there who have taken care of their kids, and not just their kids but so many others so beautifully and so caringly and so unconditionally. So here's to you guys. This should be celebrated like every day, which we try to kind of as kids get to, but then we know that we are not the best at it. However, today is a day wherein we celebrate you specifically. So yeah, here's to you guys. We love you and lots of love. So in today's video, I actually wanted to do like a full-fledged makeup tutorial using my mom's stash. Now because she was here, I couldn't really see a lot of things which I wanted to, which is kind of like a surprise for her. So I'm not gonna say or like talk through this tutorial. I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So yeah, expect like me just having like a bit of bloopers here and there because my mom's right here and she helps me film because I can't see myself and I don't know what's exactly happening, and sometimes the camera just shuts off on its own. So she's the one who actually tells me to wait, do this, do that. So you'll see her at the back, and there's gonna be a little bit of blooper, but most of the things are gonna be like on a voiceover, so expect that. So before we actually even like begin the video, I just want to tell you guys I just want to tell you guys that this is the kind of look that I've come up with using my mom's stash. I've not used any brushes. I've only used things that she owns and she has. A few things were kind of new to me and I was shook to know, and a lot of realizations happen throughout the video. So make sure that you stay tuned and you see all of that. And yeah, with that being said, let's just now finally dive into the video. Before I begin, is it just me or does my voice sound so different over a voiceover and वैसे? I don't know. So I've done my base already because my mom dhapofies my base products. So I was like अभी इसको दिखाने में मतलब कुछ वो नहीं होता because I've not used my mom's products देखा जाए तो. So here I'm just showing you what I've applied. I've applied the Clinique and MAC का strobe cream together because my mom loves glowy bases, and I've used a Fit Me concealer. Now I'm applying my mom's favorite powder. Now this is the Etude House one. Look at it, मम्मी ने literally pan hit कर दिया है. She loves this powder to another extent only. मतलब if she does not have any base products, she will just apply this essay and roam around the world. Like literally, she loves this product so much. So I'm just applying that all over my face. And actually I was the one who got her into the whole Korean beauty thing. Now she's so obsessed. पहले मैं लिस्ट देती थी मामू को कि मामू ये सारी चीज़ें आप लेकर आओ. अभी मेरी मम्मा लिस्ट देती है कि आप ये सब चीज़ें लेकर आओ सिंगापुर से. खासकर एट्यूड हाउस के पाउडर्स और प्राइमर और बीबी क्रीम, शी लव्स इट. So now that we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead with our blush. So सबसे पहले before I begin, I have to show you guys my mom का stash, and here I'm just like secretly hiding it from her and showing it to you because she was like सबको मत दिखाना, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा pouch and all of that, and I'm like mama, no one cares, it's fine. So yeah, after my mission is complete, I'm just going through her stash and looking for the blush, and I finally find it, and here it is. It is the Bella Bamba by Benefit, and I absolutely love this blush, you guys. I was shook to know कि मेरी माँ के पास ये blush है, and then I realized कि हाँ एक ज़माने में I had gotten this for her when I was in the 10th grade. तो बहुत साल हो गए हैं. So yeah, I'm just applying that on my cheeks. I spoke with my mom and she was like she applies this on her eyes mostly more than her cheeks or whatever because she does not like the sheen that this has. But I absolutely love it, you guys. Just like look at my cheeks. It automatically has that beautiful from within ethereal glow, and I absolutely love it. And plus my mom has this habit of applying blush everywhere. Matlab she has to look like a pink goddess. So har jagah blush apply karti thi. When I was trying to do that, and then I was like no, I don't think I should do it. I look like a joker. So इसलिए मैंने सिर्फ eyes पे and cheeks पे अच्छे से लगाया. So here I'm just applying it on my eyes एकदम अच्छे से, and yeah. After this is done, I'm just thinking of what to do with my eyes all the more because इतना basic तो हम करने नहीं वाले कोई भी makeup. So then I found this Stila का कुछ तो liquid, पता नहीं क्या था, but when I tried to apply it, I'm like ये तो चल ही नहीं रहा है, लग ही नहीं रहा है. I was like मम्मी, why do you have this in your stash? यार काम नहीं कर रहा फिर भी तुम रखे हुए हो. But then again I started looking for products and like कुछ तो मिल जाए. So yeah, here's just me attempting to do that, and then I finally find a lipstick. So I was like chalo, I'll just put that on my eyes or something. The color looked damn nice. So that's what I'm doing. I think this lipstick is again from Etude House only.
अमीर है मेरी माँ. She has some amazing products. So I'm just taking this and using my fingers to apply it, and I really like how the color is, showing up on my skin. So that's pretty awesome. And I really like the way my mom does her makeup. It's so minimalistic and she looks so beautiful even after all of this. I wish I could show you guys her picture, but then I do not want to invade my mom's privacy. She does not like it when I post pictures over the internet just like that. So I'm not going to do that and respect her privacy that way. So yeah. And moving on, I saw this other Revlon ka lipstick, so I was like, it looks a little darker and it's of the same color family a little bit. So I'm just applying that on my outer corner to kind of deepen the eye look a little. So वही attempt कर रही हूँ मैं. Let's see how it all turns out to be. But yeah, besides this, I just wanted to say that my mom has been like a support system to me, and she's always been there for each and everything that I've gone through my life. And I know this is nothing new. It's not coming across as something that is, oh my god, so different. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of say whatever I feel like at the moment, and it's all impromptu, you guys. It's just whenever I think about it, I just feel like I do not express the kind of love that I have for her as much or as often, and I think we should all do that. हम हमेशा सोचते हैं but execute नहीं हो पाता. There are so many times जब हमारे झगड़े होते हैं and then you just shout at each other for no reason, and then उसके बाद दोनों मायूस होते हैं, and then you go say sorry, or she comes and she's like it's okay अभी चलो छोड़ो. So I don't know, like we should try and kind of not really like fight, I feel like. And I just want to tell mama, if you're watching this, I know which you are definitely, I love you a lot and you're my support system. You've always supported me. Like I think support is like the word for you. Support, love, care, unconditional, everything. Like you keep us above everything. You've struggled so much and you've raised us to who we are today. And me and my brother, both of us, like just feel that एक ना एक दिन हम आपको और proud feel कराएंगे. So yeah. Just getting too senti. So here I'm just actually now thinking of what eyeliner to choose. अभी मम्मी के पास 2 liner है and I'm not used to this thick watery, I don't know, liner. And ये मुझे काफ़ी cool लगा था. I was like चलो I'll just go with this. And I'm just gonna try to create a line with this. I'm telling you guys, इतना difficult था मेरे लिए. I don't know how my mom does it. I'm just like जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है क्या हो रहा है. Just look at my expression. I'm like दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है क्या हो रहा है. And yeah, after like much attempt, I was able to do this well. I was so scared कि मुझे वापस पूरा shoot करना पड़ेगा या कुछ, because I know that I suck at eyeliners. Like I literally have to still do the old method of stretching my eyes and then applying the liner. It's insane. तो अभी दिख नहीं रहा था. I was like हो क्या रहा है. So then I just got my mirror and here I'm just trying to figure things out with my eyeliner. I know, I think this is like all of us struggle so hard with our eyeliners, sorry. Except a few, like a friend of mine, Akshanda, she is just so good at eyeliners. मतलब क्या wing liner बनाती है बहन, it's amazing. So yeah, moving on, I'm not gonna go over this again, but yeah, I just wanted to tell my mom and all the other moms out there that you guys are awesome, you guys are perfectionists and you're perfect to us. Just yes, warriors at heart. And बस मम्मी क्या बोले आपके लिए, प्यार हो आप. And इस टाइम तो मैं कुछ गाना भी नहीं गा रही हूँ ढापा पर. So what happened was that once एक बार the song had released, मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा. तो that song had released and मम्मी को पता नहीं था. And I was like मम्मी आपके लिए हमने गाना बनाया. And then मम्मी के लिए हमने पूरा गाना गाया. And my mom's like, oh my god, कितने प्यारे बच्चे इतना अच्छा गाना बनाते हैं. And then literally 3 days later, that same song played on TV and my mom's like, what the heck, like bubble burst on and she's like, कैसे कमीने हो तुम लोग. So yeah, so things like that have also happened and it's just insane. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to apply kajal. तो मम्मा loves using such kind of kajals. मम्मी के पास हिमालय वाला है, फिर मम्मी के पास एक और है, उसका ब्रांड मुझे नहीं पता. But yeah, she has that. And yeah, so I'm just going to apply this kajal एकदम अच्छे से, and I'm going to use my fingers to just kind of smoke it out a little bit ताकि थोड़ा सा definition मिले. नहीं तो eyes एकदम bland सूखी लग रही थी. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to अच्छे से एकदम use it. मम्मी just threw this handkerchief on me. उनको लगा कि मैंने कुछ खराब कर दिया है. But this was the whole intention. I wanted to smoke it out. So that's what I'm doing with my fingers. moving on, I actually wanted to show you guys this kajal as well that my mom has, but my mom पीछे से is like नहीं बेटा ये नहीं use करना. so I didn't use that, and I was just asking her कि कैसा लग रहा है, does it look nice, does it look fine, approval ले रही थी. She was like yeah, it looks perfect, चलो आगे बढ़ो.
ये लाइनर काफ़ी अच्छा है. किधर गया? काफ़ी अच्छा है. तुम्हें इन दोनों से कौन सा पसंद है?
दोनों लगाती हूँ.
आप बताएं दोनों लगाती हो, लेकिन
उसमें क्वांटिटी कम है तो वो
इसमें
कोई पार्टी होती है अच्छी जगह जाती हूँ तब लगाती हूँ. वो रेगुलर
ओह
वो एक ही है.
हाँ, ये दुबई वाला है ना.
एक ही लाई थी तुमने.
2-3 लेकर आए थे लेकिन बांट दिया आई गेस.
So now I'm gonna be doing mascara. तो मैंने finally mascara figure out कर लिया कि वो कहाँ है, and this is what it is. This is the Buxom mascara that my boo actually got for us. So mama had it, and yeah, so she uses this a lot because it really helps in making sure that your lashes are lengthened well and the curls stay ऊपर अच्छे से. So that's what I'm applying. I've never applied it before, you know. It's my first time applying like a Buxom mascara, and this is what I'm doing. I like it. It's okay, but I prefer my Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. That still prevails to be my favorite mascara. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how my eyes look like, you guys. I really like the way like my hair and my entire setup looks today. How do you like this new setup, by the way? I really like the plant at the back, and the lighting is also pretty cool. Also yeah guys, look at this. Remember, every 90s kid must know this. Remember ये multi-layered अलग अलग कलर के क्या बोलते हैं लिपस्टिक सेट्स थे. तो this is one of them. It had a lot of metallic glosses and normal lip glosses and stuff. My mom's like मत दिखाओ कितना गंदा है ये. I'm like नहीं मम्मी सबको देखना पड़ेगा. But she doesn't know I'm showing all of this, right? So she was just like no, don't show, it does not look good. So yeah, I was just asking her what lip color to wear, and she was like yeah, go with this, because my mom has a lot of lip colors if you realize from the stash that I showed you, but most of them are like expired and the others are like अलग-अलग type के colors. Like she has like a very weird purple color one. I think that was the trend once upon a time.
तुम दिख रही हो आई गेस. मम्मी
तुम लिप बाम लगाओ ना.
पर मैंने इसके ऊपर लिप बाम मैंने नहीं लगाना है. दिखेगा ये सब ग्लॉसी ग्लॉसी लगेगा. ऑलरेडी इसे ग्लॉस है इसमें, और मैंने सिर्फ ऊपर भी
तो
ग्लॉस
फिर वही लगाओ जो तुम्हारे हाथ में.
ठीक है. और लिप ग्लॉस भी लगा लूँ तुम कह रही हो?
नहीं ये सब नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. वही वाला खाली यूज़ करती हूँ.
अच्छा, तो ये सब रखा क्यों जब तुम यूज़ ही नहीं करती हो तो? हाँ
ये भी हमें नया ही ऐसे कैसे.
हाँ, ये देखो पूरा निकल रहा है. मम्मी, you need to declutter.
So here I am kind of topping it off with another lipstick, which is, I don't know what it is, because the brand was just like this unknown brand. So I'm just applying this. I was like कुछ तो अलग color बने, थोड़ा dark हो, कुछ तो हो. So I just applied this, and I really like the way my lips look right now. I think this suits well, and it just brings the entire look together. So with that being said, I'm going to also apply some more blush, because your girl needs some blush. It's just, yeah, blush is important. So here I'm just going to apply the blushy blush, and yeah, you guys, now time for some amazing pictures, snapshots of me looking like a diva and making my mom proud for once, because for the first time I look decent on camera today. नहीं तो हमेशा I'm just like ऐसे झल्ली की तरह I just sit and I start talking and blabbering. So I feel like today I look a little better. What do you guys think? Let me know. So yeah, there it is, you guys. We're done.
कैसी लग रही हूँ? बाल खोलो. मैं हाथ धो के आती हूँ, चिपचिप हो गया. अब मम्मी तुम्हें अपना बहुत सारा डीक्लटर करना पड़ेगा. सब अभी निकल रहा है किधर की वजह से. तुम्हारा पूरा ये बैग जो है गंदा हो गया है. तुम्हारा पूरा बैग फेंकने वाले हो या फिर रीयूज़ करोगी? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.